this is what we got. Can't believe we even eat these things still. Who eats these things? Freaking Lucky Charms? I thought these things were a thing of the past. The food coloring, all the nasty ingredients in them. I mean, what do they got? Do they have like all the food coloring possible you can get in them? The sugar and all the other nasty crap. Can't believe people even feed their kids this shit anymore. Alright, so you wanna know what we're gonna do with this stuff? Woo! Better finish that off. Got these, the Fruity Pebbles. Look at how much freaking food coloring this shit has in it. Look at that. How are we even eating this stuff anymore? Are we just trying to poison ourselves, or what's the plan with that? They sure do look good and colorful though. I bet they're tasty. Lawnmower likes them. What we got here? More colors. Man, that rainbow, they got it on everything. It must be a real selling point. Look at this stuff. People are feeding their kids this shit like crazy. No wonders everybody has so much diabetes and sickness in America. Pathetic. How are we doing this still, people? Feed more of this crap to your lawnmower. It likes it better. And you don't get sick kids at the end of the day. But look at this beauty. Any kid would love this thing. They would freaking do almost anything for such a freaking cake. Look at that. The little mermaid on there. All the glitter. Man, let's see. Is it tasty? Let's see. Hell no. That shit tastes like straight up freaking drywall mud. Who eats this shit? My word. Come. You know what we're gonna do with this? The lawnmower likes cake. And next up, look what we got here. Good old classic freaking Skittles. How are we freaking doing? Yeah, we know what to do with these. More freaking rainbow. Look at that rainbow. It's all over the place. Man, look at that. That's a real marketing strategy, I'll tell you. Look at this. It's like no wonder freaking America's sickly and like because we drink this crap. Okay, anyway, justice to be served to this nasty stuff. do.